today's video is a summer DIY popsicle video where I show you guys different easy popsicles to make. Now these all have like 2 or 3 ingredients, are really easy to make, and I've been doing this since I was a kid. Like, I love making popsicles, and I don't know when I mentioned this, but I did mention it in one of the videos, and a lot of you requested me to do this video, so I'm gonna show you how I made these. How yummy do they look? Basically, you're gonna need one of these, like a popsicle mold. You can get these on Amazon or anywhere. I will link some below. I've already lost one because I'm reckless, but they're really easy to make, and I'm going to show you how. Let's begin. So you can make these with any fruits literally. Today I'm going to use bananas, apples, blueberries, mangoes, plums, and cherries. So for the first popsicle, we're going to use some mango, some chia seeds soaked in water, and some coconut milk. So you just want to mix all this together and put it into your blender and give it a good whiz. You can use a hand blender or one like this, it really doesn't matter. And after that, you just want to fill the mold with a spoon this way and put the lid on. Simple. Okay, now for our lemonade and fruit popsicle, we're just going to use regular homemade lemonade and pour it directly into the mold, and then just add small bits of fruit in. So you can use any fruits for this. Again, just use 2 or 3 different colors because that's going to give you a really cool look when your popsicle is ready. Recipe number 3 is the layered popsicle, and we're going to work with plums and mangoes for this. So just blend them into a cup separately. Make sure you don't mix them. And then just fill the mold in layers. So you want to start with the plum, put some mango in between, and then add the plum again. So you can do this with 3 totally different fruits as well if you want 3 different colors and layers, but I feel like this is just easier. Number 4 is a banana and berry popsicle. So you can use any berries or cherries. I'm using some blueberries and some pitted fresh cherries. Also, you can use any frozen fruit as well for this. It works really well, or cold pressed juices if you're lazy and you don't really want to blend. Anything works when it comes to popsicles. So you just want to mix all that up together, blend it, and fill it into the mold. Now for the last recipe, we're going to use some apples, some vanilla Greek yogurt, and cinnamon powder. So Greek yogurt is great to make like creamy popsicles. You can experiment with different fruits and plain yogurt or flavored yogurt. Everything works really well. So again, you just want to mix it all together, blend it, and fill it into the mold. Once you're done with all your popsicles, just stick them into the freezer for a few hours, and ta-da! You have lots of yummy popsicles to choose from. And you can also add toppings like cocoa powder or cinnamon powder, like I'm doing with my apple, vanilla, and cinnamon popsicle. Just some fresh cinnamon on the top. Yums up! So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Watch my last video here. If you still haven't, hit that bell icon to know every time I upload, and also subscribe. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.